everybody, it is another exciting day. We had a lovely night in the bus. It was really cozy, really lovely. And now we are in a car park because this morning we are going waterfall chasing. They warn you not to do it, but I'm sorry, we have to do it. Which waterfall are we going to first?
They warn us not to do it.
Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Yeah, we're going to Rainbow Falls first this morning.
Yay!
It'll be exciting.
We've packed up for a long day out. We've got all our camera equipment and my Kindle, and then we've also got lunch in this cool box. When you go into the forest, you have to clean your feet. So keep left. And what do? I brush. What? No, that's not. No, then I'm following the thing. Then I inspect. Looking good. And then I have to disinfect. But my shoes aren't waterproof. It's not working. Oh, I see. Okay, it's spraying me right now. Right? So that's one. Ooh. Did you see that spray? Anyway, I'm infected. Disinfected.
What my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could about you. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adore. What is loving anymore?
We've made it to our first waterfall. It's the one you've just seen. Wait, it's just over there. We've already seen it, but we're now trying to walk down to the bit like right at the bottom. But it's Rainbow Falls. It's incredible. There's an actual rainbow there. And I just put my hand in the water and it's warm.
Cold in the wind and my smile. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adored. What is it?
We've made it to the bottom of the waterfall. Look at that! Rainbow Waterfall was incredible, and we now have to go find Waterfall 2. Do we know what it's called, Rhys?
Nope, we will soon.
Let's go!
So we've just parked up in Waipapa Landing. It's a nice little picnic area on a river, and we're just going to find our second waterfall of the day. It's called Charlie's Rock. Off we go.
Let's go! There's a bit of a walk to Charlie's Rock that we're currently trying to navigate. It's good though, because our goal for whilst we're currently traveling, it's more or less bang on 3 months, and we're gonna try and make it so that every single day we do over 10,000 steps, just to try to get healthy and things. So we don't mind the walk because we're trying to smash our target. So far our target has been smashed most days, getting over 15,000, except yesterday we struggled to make it to 10. We did make it to 10, but because we were in the car so long, we just didn't, you know, didn't get a chance to walk as much.
Tomorrow's going to be tricky.
Tomorrow's going to be tricky because we're in the car for 7 hours. So don't know how we're gonna get up steps up them, but there's only one day where we're allowed not to get the steps, and that's when we have a 27-hour bus journey. But aside from that, we need to get the steps up, so let's go.
Sam on their great adventure.
Am I Sam? Can I be Frodo? I'll take it. This is a little bit of a less accessible waterfall than the last one. I think it was worth it. We've set up camp ready for lunch right in front of the waterfall.
What?
Charlie Rock. Charlie's Rock.
Fuck it down.
Yeah, it is. Waterfall 2 complete. We're now gonna...
It was a hidden gem, wasn't it?
It was a hidden gem.
Charlie's Rock. We'd recommend doing it, but it's not sort of accessible.
It's not accessible, but Rainbow Falls is so accessible.
Rainbow Falls is the most accessible, so if you have a wheelchair, if you have anything like that, easy to do it, yeah. But Charlie's Rock, not able to do it, sorry.
But Rainbow Falls is bigger anyway, but wow, that was cool. It's so warm. And we're now gonna head to
Haruru Falls.
Haruru Falls, which I think is gonna be not too difficult to get to.
It's supposed to be 2 minutes.
Yeah, because I keep seeing signs for it.
Yeah.
Let's go. I've just been sleeping in the car, but we made it to Waterfall 3 called
Haruru.
Let's go check it out.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me.
So we've just been to Haruru Falls. Beautiful, beautiful falls. Again, a 2-minute walk that way and then you're there.
Accessible.
Brilliant. And there's loos at pretty much every one of these.
Every car park, yeah.
Brilliant. And all these car parks are free. It is brilliant because, you know, nature was... It's not man-made, is it? You know, nature's free. It's supposed to be there to be admired. But it's brilliant. All these car parks are free, so you can literally park anywhere.
We say that because where we live in North Wales, there's two waterfalls near us. There's Hystyrthryder and there's also Horseshoe Falls, and both of them you have to pay to park, so you really can't see them. Whereas there's car parks right next to the waterfalls that are free with loos and everything. It's really amazing.
It's really brilliant. We'd really recommend.
For our afternoon activity, we've actually hopped on a ferry. We're currently on a ferry and we're heading across to an island called Russell Island.
No, we're heading to Russell, which is a town.
Oh, on an island.
On one of the islands.
There's loads of nice bays over on Russell.
Loads.
Let's go have a look. Well, we've got to get across the ferry first.
We don't need a destination, let's go where the river's taking us. Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. Over the rainbow. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm, let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. Grab some.
The ferry journey was super quick. It was $32 return, which is like £16. And we're now across the other side, and we've just gone through, or I don't know if it's the name of the island, Okiato, and that is the first capital of New Zealand, which is so random because it's just at the top on this tiny island that this was the capital. But anyway, we're now making our way to Russell. We are 8 kilometers away.
We can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm, let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait. The water's warm, let's be reborn.
We've pulled up to a beach called Long Beach here in Russell. We couldn't park in Russell Town Centre. We'll go in a bit and see if we can find a space. But now we are at this beautiful beach.
Oh, awful angle, Megan. Hello.
Montage.
Over fields and through the country, letting go of everything but us. If we hold tight, we can chase the Mississippi through the night, hundreds of miles away. The water is warm, let's dip our toes right in and be reborn. I don't know why we'd wait.
So we're now in Russell Town Centre. Russell is so cute, it's so quaint, it's on the harbour front. Like little shops, like vintage shops, vintage everything.
Ice cream
Looks
parlours.
amazing, fish and chips, ice cream parlours, restaurants, hotels. But it's tiny. It's about 10 shops, 10, 11 shops, but it's got everything. Russell is so cute.
Feels like can I say this?
Yeah. What does it feel like?
Feels like the vibes of the like quaint little seaside towns in Jaws.
Yeah, I get that. Meg is obsessed with Jaws.
We had great plans to make our own sushi wraps and take them to the beach for dinner, but this is how Rhys's sushi rice is going.
It's too wet.
This is proper sushi rice, not normal rice.
Look at all
It's
that.
very sloppy. How does it taste? I want to taste some, but I read a story about a woman who died from eating rice, like bad rice.
Raw rice, probably.
How was it?
Not very nice.
Should I try some?
Doesn't even taste of anything. Put more rice
Is it very hot? We've been had it like cooling for ages. That's not tasteless.
Taste off. Doesn't taste nice.
You can tell there's vinegar in it.
Is it too vinegary? I can't taste the vinegar like that at all.
It tastes like banana. In like a bad way.
No. We're not eating that.
Anyway, Rhys and I have been craving chippy chips all day, and looks like since dinner was a disaster, what we having?
Rice.
No, please no. However, I made the sides. I made some lovely like tuna, but with soy sauce and Kewpie mayo, and some nice finely cut cucumber to go in the wraps, but just let us down over there.
I failed.
Are you excited for chippy chips though?
Yeah, but look, what am I supposed to do with this now?
Put it in the bin. Give it to the dog. Give it to the chickens.
Oh God, they die.
Goodbye. Not in that. We need that for our dry food. There's a bin outside. Put it in this. Ugh. Gross. Ugh.
Stop it.
Ugh.
It's just too much water, that's all. Next time it'll be fine.
How does it feel in your hands?
Not nice.
Instead, we've just got a sheet of seaweed. Some tuna. This tuna has soy sauce and Kewpie mayo, so it's not like usual tuna mayo. And then a bit of cucumber. And then you just roll it. Obviously, the first one I film is the first one to break. Most of them haven't been breaking. And then, like this. We're both enjoying it thoroughly. We are at Paihia Beach again, and guess who drove? I drove. I'm actually driving tomorrow, like 3 hours.
Yeah, probably about.
To Auckland. I'm driving from Paihia to Auckland, so
yeah.
That's going to be exciting. If you've watched our travel vlogs where we hire cars, it's usually Rhys doing the driving. But I'm driving tomorrow, so that's exciting. Anyway, go on, what were you going to say?
I am driving another 3 hours, but I just wanted to point that out.
Oh yeah, tonight, after the disastrous sushi, we have come back to Paihia Beach, and we're going to go to the fish and chip shop to get some chips, which all day we were saying no, 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 but yeah, we are. We're going to test if New Zealand chippy chips taste the same as in the UK. So far they smell the same. Let's see. You'd have a bigger portion in the UK. This is tiny. Oh, that's like 20 chips max.
It's a disappointing portion size, I can tell you that.
These taste like oven chips with loads of salt.
Do they?
I'm gonna be honest, they're not the same as the UK.
It's an awful portion as well.
Tiny portion. In the UK, if you go to a chippy and you order a portion of chips, you could share it between 4 people. So you try?
Have some.
He's gonna have some mayonnaise. These taste like night out chips in the UK. They're nice, but they're not UK chippy chips.
See you next time.